Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yo, we are here doing a brand new Cheap Finds Friday. Unfortunately, I am by myself, but we are at the wonderful Great Mall, which is the closest outlet mall? Outlet mall, is that correct? But yeah, check this out. Whoa, we got a giraffe. Little Millie in the building. This is like, I think it's all Legos or something. This is crazy. Look at that.
Wait.
What the? Wait.
Wait, so it's not my kid?
Dude.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, should I leave that?
Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, sure.
Wait, what are you doing here, dude?
Alex, right?
Yeah. What the heck? Dude, big fan.
Oh man, are you ready?
I am ready. Are you guys ready?
Get this day freaking started.
Let's go.
Wait, real quick. I bought this shirt.
Yeah, what happened, dude?
I was cooking. All the oil just...
Cooking. It was cooking.
We were cooking. All oil just splashed on me. I tried to wash it right away, and then it got worse.
Yeah, just... Oh. So if you guys haven't watched the Cheap Finds Friday before, essentially what we do is we look for all the steals and deals out here at the mall, stuff that we could resell, stuff for personals. I'm going for a couple things today. I'm looking for a hat, some dry fit stuff because your boy's going to Hawaii again next month, so gotta make sure I'm prepared. But yeah, David, what are you looking for today?
Honestly, I'm just looking for whatever's cheap. I don't have like any intention to buy anything, but if I find something cheap for the low, then
it might happen.
It might happen. You know?
Gotcha.
Impulse buys for sure.
All right, let's see if we can find anything. We have to harness the energy of finding the steals and deals. I feel it too. The first item I'm looking for today is a dry fit Nike hat because we're gonna be doing a lot of hikes in Hawaii, so I want something that can get, you know, a little dinged up, a little messed up. It's gonna get sweaty. I need to be able to wash it, so we're gonna try looking for that first. Yo, these are the see-through specials. You guys see that? This is paper thin. The Morning Woods. Oh, this is kind of lit. This is kind of sick. $70 and now marked down to $49. Nice little embroidery on there. Not too bad.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, that would look really good on you.
With nothing under?
Huh? Yeah, nothing under. Oh shit. Little Nike drippy drip. Okay. I didn't know they made stuff like that.
I'm gonna have to pick some of these up.
Paper mache?
Fourth grade art project.
Wait, do you guys hear that? Safari Air Force Ones.
Oh, okay. Tony the Tiger Air Force Ones. Earn your stripes.
These are actually kind of sick. Like, I like the kind of cream vibes on there.
I like the box.
How much is this?
$130.
Oh, that's retail.
This is not expensive finds Friday. This is cheap finds Friday.
Wait, why is it? So you pay retail and then you get the box half cut.
Conkers?
Oh wow, they're still sitting. What is that?
Dude.
What is this? I heard that these are hella comfortable. I've never tried them on. We found a size 6. I don't even know where the other side is, but I'm just gonna try these on. Dude, oh my god, it almost fits. Does it look good?
Yeah.
You like it?
You should get them.
Daddy, chill.
Oh, dude. What the?
Wait, what the heck?
Sir, you need to leave the store.
I'm gonna cop these.
Alright.
$85 for shorts. Oh.
This video's turning around. Like,
Dude,
we're not supposed to be
for
showing
real.
the expensive stuff.
Expensive Finds Friday. Let's go. Original price, $50 hairs. Now, $32 hairs. Check that out.
Only 2XL only, so.
2XL only, but white Nike hoodie. These are actually really comfortable. I like these. Ooh, I like that crew neck. That crew neck is nice.
$34.99.
$5 off original.
What a steal.
Damn, where the steals at? Kind of rough today. Everybody hit F in the chat, F in the chat. Oh, thank you for the donos. Thank you for the donos. Thank you.
Got my Scoutmaster shirt on.
Dude, you could have so much trail mix in here. It's gonna be ridiculous. I'm buying it for you. How much is that?
$130.
Never mind.
All right, Alex found his hat. What do you think?
Looks like No, it's cool.
How much is it?
20?
$19.99.
Yeah, $19.99. I mean, I'm not really going for looks on this one. Like, my head is like huge and my face is huge, but like,
We can see that. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You know, something to hike in, and like it's made out of this little dry fit
so it's
material.
not going to be super
has,
hot on your head.
Breathable, keeps the sun out my eyes. That's all I'm asking for. And it's only 20 bucks. So shout out to Nike. Aerobill, not sponsored.
Carbon fiber.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is a cop. And look. I think you can wash it, and you don't have to worry about the bill moving.
Is it reversible?
Oh,
Oh, and it's reversible.
enough with the games, dude. Stop embarrassing me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You already have the squirt on your shirt. If you guys ever spot David Got Kicks in public, there's a good chance that he might have some Croc charms on him.
For example, today I brought some of these.
So spooky vibes, okay.
Spooky vibes.
Okay.
So if we see anyone wearing Crocs, I'll just give them out and tell them to check out the website.
Which is?
bayrestorations.com.
Don't buy your Croc charms from Crocs. Buy it from David. And if you see him in person, he might give you one for free. Don't buy from here, guys. Those are the competitors. How much are Croc charms from Crocs? Like $5?
Yes.
But you could get it from David for $2, sometimes $3. Depends on which ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, you just gotta be smart when you're buying some stuff, so.
Yeah.
That's steal number 1 of the day. David Got Kicks Croc charms. Let's go. Nice Kicks Ultra Boost. Wow, I just ordered a pair on eBay for under retail. It's cool that they have these sitting at Shoe Palace at the Great Mall.
You versus the guy she told you not to worry about.
Everybody knows about the Black Air Force activities. You ready for this? If you've been into sneakers for a while, you remember the NMD phase. Those NMD Nice Kicks used to go for like over $1,000, I think. They remade them into an Ultra Boost form, which I think looks a little bit better, and they're not going for anything. You can find them under retail if you get them from like eBay or something. Now we're out here at Burlington Coat Factory. This is where you can find a lot of steals and deals if you know where you're looking or know what you're looking for. Sometimes there's Nike Tech Fleece here, which could be pretty expensive if you guys buy it for retail, but yo, there's so many racks here. Shoot, there has to be something.
You like this?
What is it?
You don't see it?
No, why are you just holding a hanger, dude? Enough, this joke is enough. You have squirt on you. Like, you can't be joking, doing the camo jokes anymore. Oh, we got some Air Force One activities. Let's get it. What the? What is P?
Bad farm. They're Yeezys.
No, they're ponies. Dude, you found the steal of a century right now.
Craziest steal of a lifetime.
Oh
like,
my-
I can't even believe this is actually here. Pinch me, I'm dreaming.
What the heck, what the heck? Dude. Bro, whose mess just dipped? It's looking a little rough in here, guys.
I don't know if you guys remember when we used to come to Burlington all the time. We used to find a lot of good stuff. It wasn't even like crazy fire, but at least like wearable stuff that will get you around, you know?
Maybe some other stores will make up for it.
Okay.
But we will keep looking.
It's still early.
Yeah, it's still early. We still have a lot of stores to hit in this mall. But hopefully we're able to find a couple good pieces for you guys, because this is not good. Put your Croc charms on there. Bless somebody.
Looks like a Fortnite character.
What are these? This is the best find of the day, and we got a triple whammy right here. We're in the kids section. The Heelys on deck. If you guys had Heelys as a kid, comment down below. Press F for respect. What the? What are you doing, dude? Oh, they got other Heelys. Whoa. Guys, I wish they brought back the double wheel ones. So much nicer to have 2 wheels. What are you, why are you reorganizing? Guys, sometimes it'd be like this. Like, don't think that you find fire all the time when you're doing the steals and deals, because sometimes it'd be dry like this.
Dude.
What happened there? Wait, hold on. Can they see that?
It's got warped.
Wait, hold it. Like, dude, do you guys see the curve right there? What? Who's gonna wear that?
Me.
Damn, all the Heelys are just popping up here. If they had men's sizes, that'd be dope. Next stop is Marshall's.
Everybody hit the like button right now. Oh, are those free samples? What is that?
What are those? Looks like sugar.
Are these free samples? Are these samples?
What is it?
Are
Esse é free sample.
That's juice?
Esse é strawberry lemonade. Esse é
Oh.
slushy blue raspberry.
Strawberry lemonade.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me see. Quick taste test.
I'm gonna take a quick shot.
That's just a little weird.
Oh, I forgot to taste it. That's good.
It's good.
Just tastes like strawberry.
Comment down below, guys. Are you guys a Birkenstock or Croc kind of person? Obviously, these aren't Birkenstocks. They're cushioners.
Cushioner.
You look like you better go tap dancing. They don't look as comfortable. Quick little tip, if you guys are looking for some fragrances, sometimes if you go to like Marshall's or TJ Maxx even, they might have some good ones. So they got some Polo. I don't know what that one smells like. The one that looked kind of expensive out of all these was the Burberry. So they got Burberry. I don't know what those smell like, but picked up one recently from Joe Malone. That one smells fire. If you guys have any fragrance recommendations, let me know in the comment section down below. You find anything, David?
Just another L.
Whew.
Just kidding, just kidding. We're still looking.
We're still looking. Can't give up. We've been rolling through these stores and nothing really besides this hat. I'm happy with this hat purchase. I'm gonna use this in Hawaii. David found some Nike pants. They look like they're, oh wow, they're made out of some weird material and they're kind of see-through. You guys see that tag? Just imagine. Just the elephant trunk, just yeet. These Nike running shorts, they just feel different, bro. They're so comfortable. I've been rocking them all the time. These are super nice, super light. I think they're dry fit. I might have to cop another pair because, man, these are gonna do me so well in Hawaii. Just gotta check. How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Ah, 35. That's not bad. Not bad for shorts. Might be back for these. I'm gonna look for some dry fit shirts. All right. Looks like I'm just gonna get these shorts. The center swoosh stuff is pretty sick.
It is.
But they're only doing it for women's right now? Is that right? I see a lot of the center swoosh stuff. Women's.
I'm not gonna lie, sometimes you see some stuff for women that is really cool.
That looks like it could be for men too.
Guess the retail.
$100.
You saw it.
No,
Yeah, it is.
I just guessed. What? Bro, I don't know if it's just me, but I'm not down to spend that much on stuff like that.
Yeah.
Maybe Alex, like 2016 Alex, when one swoosh isn't enough, you get two. And when you get two, you get, what the? Dude. David, could you imagine wearing this? You see right through.
Okay, but that's why there's
Oh, that's what that is?
a cornball.
I didn't know.
You're gross.
So David and I are trying to come up with an idea of like where to hide at least one of these, so then you guys could come and get it. Or maybe somebody else will find it. We don't know. But by the time this video's out,
I didn't
maybe.
find anyone wearing Crocs today. I don't know why. You guys let me down.
Yep, so we are gonna hide what, one or two?
I'll have like two.
Let's see.
Behind here.
Dude, that's where rats go.
Stop, dude. Don't.
Dude, that's a rat trap.
Don't play like that.
No, that's what they catch rats with.
Oh.
That's why I was surprised. I was surprised that you were going near it.
Stop.
There's probably a dead rat in there.
Stop, dude, stop. Holy.
That's why there's a hole on the side.
I see
But,
it.
do you see it?
I do.
Let's
Take them all.
see. No. Just give me the
Spooky vibes. I'll give you
Oh, yeah,
the spooky
look
vibes.
at- oh sh.
Dude, I like how hella people are just watching
Right
this footage.
there.
Hella people are watching this footage, so they're gonna come back and take it.
No, they're not. Well, everyone, that's going to conclude the Cheap Finds Friday episode. And now we're just gonna be vlogging for the rest of the day. Love these things. Apparently they pushed the release date back a couple weeks.
Oh, those haven't even released?
No, I was trying to get them on sneakers and they pushed it back. All right, we are doing a quick taste test on some chocolate chip cookies. David.
I made these.
Yes.
No, I
No. If you guys would like to place some orders, Instagram right here if you're local. Wait, do you want to get next to me?
Yeah. Okay. Same time or what?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just kidding. Okay, so we're being taste testers, obviously, for cookies. They're really good.
Oh, they are.
No, I'm not even like,
No cap.
sugar coating it, literally.
No cap, I'm a mama.
Oh God.
Wow, I finally
No, they're good. I like the texture.
It's better than the last batch that you made from Nancy. It's good. Wow.
Instagram right here. Place your orders. Snickerdoodles, ube crinkles. What else? Ube pancakes.
Red velvet.
To end this video, we're just gonna do a quick unboxing on this package that I got right here. I'm sorry for this video, man. I felt like the stores were pretty dry, so it was really hard to do a Cheap Finds Friday, but hey, we still got out there. We still looked for some stuff, and I ended up picking up that hat, but that was honestly it besides the shorts that I picked up. So we're gonna end this video with a quick unboxing. A lot of people ask me about jewelry stuff, which I think I'll do a video on in the near future. Yeah, I've been waiting at my parents' house for this to arrive. So shout to FedEx, man. FedEx was like, this package will arrive. Somebody needs to be there to sign it, and it will arrive before 12. And it's 11:40 right now, so shout out FedEx for the timeliness. Okay, we got a nice white box right here. Sorry about the hands. I was working on some orders, painting stuff. Hands, little crusty. But yeah, let's check this out. This is from my homie James Ta. Really heavy in here. All right, let me open this. I don't want anything to spill out. Ooh, oh my God. This is so fire. So I recently got this piece right here. Probably already know, like, your boy stays with the Buddhas, and I ended up getting this green one because I had a smaller one than this and I wanted to upgrade it, you know? So I went ahead and I got this piece. I got the jade from James, and then I got the frame done by him as well. Super nice, super detailed. And my favorite part about this is what he surprised me with. So check this out. Usually I just go with the blank back just because, you know, sometimes it'd be costing too much to do all the extra stuff. But this time he hooked me up, bro. So he went ahead and did all this for me. He put SINTB on the back, more gold, more signs. Look at the detail. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to flip this around so you guys can see it with the actual camera. Like I said, guys, I've been working on orders, so my hands little crusty. Little crusty. But yo, look at this. Look at this. Wow. Yo. Now I feel like every time I get a Buddha done, I'm going to have to do the back. So shout out James, man. If you guys are interested in any jewelry, he's a Los Angeles jeweler, same jeweler as Akon. He does a bunch of different rappers, celebrities. He does a lot of their stuff, but I really mess with James just because the quality of his work. I've been messing with him ever since I started, you know, getting into jewelry. So I'm definitely always supporting the Ta homies. But yeah, man, look at that. Pretty crazy, man. This is a very heavy piece right here. The jade mixed with the gold combo. So definitely going to be enjoying this piece right here. I love it. Can't get enough of that. Woo, so sick. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed already. Sorry I'm looking a little musty, man. I had to get here early just in case FedEx came here early and I just been working all morning, but hope y'all are doing well, man. Hope y'all are doing well. Hope this clears up. This is some bull. But yeah, catch y'all very soon in the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Deuces.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.